Good morning, students. Today we will study about the plant anatomy, which is a significant chapter for NEET examination point of view. As the name plant anatomy, you know very well, according to the name of the plant anatomy, it is the study of the internal structures of plant organs. And the father of plant anatomy is Anne Grew. As you know that father of plant anatomy is Anne Grew. And Anne Grew also give the term tissue first of all. Anne Grew, the term tissue first of all given by Anne Grew. And according to the definitions, the tissue is a group of cells which are same in function and origin. You know very well that the tissue is a group of cells which are same in function and origin. And tissue is further divided into two types. Tissue is further divided on the basis of the development. Tissue has been divided into two types. Types of tissue is two types, number 1 and number 2, on the basis of development. Number 1 is meristematic tissue. And number 2 is permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are those tissues which have the capability to divide. मतलब meristematic tissues are that tissues, मतलब ये वो cells हैं which have the capacity to divide. Their cells have the capacity to divide. So such tissues, type of tissue, have the capacity to divide. But on the other hand, permanent tissue have don't have the capacity to divide. The permanent tissue do not the capacity to divide. Further, we will discuss one by one about each one of them. The term meristem is first of all given by meristem term first given by Naegeli. Naegeli was the first man who gave the term meristem. And on the basis of that, permanent tissue, we will divide permanent tissue further. Because permanent tissue are the basic those tissues. Permanent tissues are the those tissues permanent tissue, we will divide permanent tissue. Permanent tissue in three three types. Number one, simple tissue. Number two, complex tissue. And number three, special tissue. As you know that a simple tissue, it is a group of cells which has only one type of cells. Simple tissues are, it is a group of cells which has only one type of cells. On the other hand, complex tissues are those tissues, it is a group of cells which has different type of cells. And special tissues are those tissues, it is a group of cells which secrete different type of substance. Simple tissue, we will divide simple tissue further in three types. Number one is parenchyma. Number two is collenchyma. And number three is sclerenchyma. These are made of, parenchyma is made of from those cells which have thin cell wall. On the other hand, collenchyma is made of living cells, with extra thickening of pectocellulose on their walls. Sclerenchyma is made up of dead cells with thickening of lignin on their walls. Same as like that, complex tissues are two types, xylem and phloem. And special tissues are two types on the basis of their different type of secretion. Lactiferous tissues globular tissues. Lactiferous tissue and globular tissues. They secrete rubber and they also secrete some substance. And further we will divide xylem, because xylem is made up of the 4 types of cells. Number 1 is xylem is made up of 4 types of cells. Number 1 is tracheids. Number 2, vessels. Number 3, xylem fiber. Xylem fiber, and number 4 is xylem parenchyma. Tracheids are made of tracheids are dead tube-like structure. And vessels mainly found in angiosperms. Mainly found in angiosperms, and xylem fibers are dead cells. Dead cells with deposition of lignin on its wall. Xylem, further we will discuss xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma we will discuss further. Xylem parenchyma. And xylem parenchyma only living cells found in xylem they store starch and fats. Starch and fats. Same we will divide further. Phloem. Phloem is also made up of 4 types of cells. Number 1, sieve tubes. Number 2, companion cells. And number 3, fiber, and 4 is phloem parenchyma. Now we will discuss one by one each of them. Sieve tubes. They are basically found in angiosperms. Found in angiosperms. Such type of cells have porous body which interconnect with their companion cells, which associate with their companion cell. And the companion cells or their side cells. Appropriate word will be side cells. And on the companion cell, the main function of these cells is transfer foods, and these are used for phloem fiber. On the other hand, phloem fiber is used for making ropes and bags. It is made up of sclerenchymatous cells. As we know that sclerenchymatous cells, I have already discussed that sclerenchymatous cells have extra thickening of lignin, and they are dead cells on their cell wall. And further we discuss phloem parenchyma. They are only living cells. In phloem, and its function is also store and transfer the food in plants. So by this way we will discuss this types of complex tissues and further their types. And now we will discuss about the vascular bundle. As we know that a vascular bundle, according to the definition, vascular bundle is nothing but vascular bundle consists of xylem, phloem and cambium. Here for your information I want to tell you that cambium is a special type of mathematic tissue which have significant role in angiospermic plant secondary growth, because inner side they develop xylem and outer side they develop phloem, and by this way it may be very helpful for the making of the annual ring, and counting of this annual ring, so we can easily assume the age of that particular trees, so on. So now we will discuss about the vascular bundle, which is a consist of xylem, phloem and cambium. Here we will discuss xylem, phloem and cambium. Vascular bundle. Vascular bundle consists of xylem, phloem plus cambium. Vascular bundle are basically three types. Number one is radial, and number two is concentric, and number third is conjoint. So vascular bundle are generally three types. Number one is radial vascular bundle. Number two is concentric, and number three is conjoint. Radial vascular bundle are those vascular bundles. In radial vascular bundle, basically they are found in the roots of the monocots and dicots of angiospermic plants, and such types of vascular bundles have xylem and phloem found on different different alternative types of radius. Example from that, I can show you by this diagram. Here is xylem, here is phloem, here is xylem, here is xylem, here is phloem, and here is xylem, here is phloem, here is phloem. Dot structures, round structures.